The International Agency for Research on Cancer, essentially an arm of the World Health Organization, have named aspartame, the sweetener that is 200 times sweeter than sugar, as a possible carcinogen, i.e. a substance capable of causing cancer to humans. So let's dive into the scientific literature and look into the data regarding aspartame and its carcinogenic properties. In 2006, the Maltoni Cancer Research Centre of the European Ramazzini Foundation conducted a long-term experiment on aspartame. Aspartame was given to 8-week-old rats at varying doses. The treatment lasted until natural death of the rats, at which time all deceased animals underwent a complete autopsy, i.e. a post-death examination. All organs were examined for pathological lesions. An example of a pathological lesion is a cancerous tumour. The results of the studies showed that essentially aspartame in these specific experimental conditions causes an increase in incidence of malignant tumour-bearing animals with a positive and significant trend in males and females. And depending on doses, the male and female rats developed varying types of cancers, for example leukemias and cancers related to the nervous system. The results of this mega experiment indicate that aspartame is a multi-potential carcinogenic agent, even at a daily dose of 20 mg per kilogram of body weight, much less than the current acceptable daily intake. On the basis of these results, what I find deeply concerning here is that the scientists in this study had quite rightly concluded that a re-evaluation of the present guidelines on the use and consumption of aspartame is urgent and cannot be delayed, and this study was conducted in 2006. So the question arises here is that why wasn't aspartame classified as a possible carcinogen by the WHO much sooner? As the aforementioned study was in rats, let's look into this 2022 study. The specific study that we're going to look into was done on over 100,000 individuals, and dietary intakes and consumption of sweeteners were obtained by repeated 24-hour dietary records including brand names of industrial products. Associations between sweeteners and cancer incidence were assessed. Results considered and were adjusted for age, sex, education, physical activity, smoking, and a whole host of other factors. The results were then analysed, and compared to non-consumers, higher consumers of total aspartame sweetener had 1.15 times higher risk of developing cancer. Higher risks were also observed for breast cancer and obesity-related cancers. To summarise, let's cast our minds back to the WHO's classification. To be classed as a possible carcinogen by the WHO, which in this case aspartame is, there only needs to be some evidence that it can cause cancer in humans, but at present it is not considered conclusive. However, even though it is not officially considered conclusive that aspartame is a carcinogen, I myself will be taking this initial evidence seriously and avoiding the consumption of aspartame containing drinks and foods. If I do really want to consume sweet things, I will opt for foods and drinks containing naturally occurring sugars or even plant-based sweeteners.